Set realistic goals. It's essential to have clear and achievable weight loss objectives. Instead of saying you want to lose 30 pounds in a month, aim for a more realistic and sustainable goal like 1 to 2 pounds per week. This way, you're less likely to feel discouraged and more likely to stay on track. Tip number 2, maintain a balanced diet. Nutrition is a key component of weight loss. Focus on incorporating more whole foods into your diet, like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive snacking. Keep an eye on portion sizes to ensure you're not overeating. Tip number 3, get moving with regular exercise. Physical activity is crucial for burning calories and building muscle. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or any activity you enjoy. Don't forget to include strength training to boost your metabolism. Tip number 4, stay hydrated. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Not only does it help control your appetite, but it also supports your overall health. Tip number 5, prioritize quality sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain by affecting your hormones and increasing cravings for unhealthy foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine and create a comfortable sleep environment to ensure you get the rest you need.